With the rise of new social platforms like TikTok and features like Instagram Reels, you've probably seen some new social trends that adapt and evolve. A few years ago, it was all about showing off your hashtag outfit of the day. Now, it's all about a day in my life, using new platforms and social features to ride that trend and engage your audience. Trends may come and go, but keeping your audience engaged in new and innovative ways will always be essential for social media. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 essential ways of keeping your audience engaged. Let's dive in. In order to engage your audience, you have to first meet them where they're at. Consider the typical behaviors of your followers. What platforms do they use the most? At what point in their day do they check socials? What are they looking for from social media? These will help you decide where to post, when to post, and how often to post. Say you're about to become a licensed nutritionist and you want to build your personal brand around nutrition. Maybe for personal interest or to cultivate clients. After spending 30 minutes looking at some of the most popular nutrition accounts, you find that they typically post their Instagram story throughout the day and on TikTok in the evenings. In order to meet your audience where they're at, you should follow a similar pattern. You could start by posting easy and nutritious breakfast, lunch, and snack recipes on your Instagram story, and then save photos of your prepared meal for your feed. After a few months of getting comfortable with Instagram, you could expand to TikTok. Maybe you start by recording yourself cooking your Instagram recipes. By doing so, anytime your persona opens social media and sees your content, they will clearly see how your brand fits into their own daily routine. Help your audience feel a part of what you're creating. The more you draw them into the behind the scenes, the more they connect with your brand, and that will naturally increase their loyalty and engagement. Next, offer ways to keep them engaged with you. This can be through a variety of methods, such as Q&A, polls, and contests. This will look different depending on which social channels you're on and what matters to your audience. You might be able to boost your engagement by partnering with other accounts. And I don't just mean corporate brands. You can do a collab with friends and combine all of your passions. So, whether you're looking to engage an audience for your personal passion project, a small business side hustle, or even large corporate brands, it's important to view your social strategy through the lens of what will engage your audience. What would they be intrigued and entertained by? Putting yourself in your followers' shoes is one of the best ways to create amazing content that keeps them coming back for more.